Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to reset data usage on Windows 11. Actually, when you use internet on your PC, Windows 11 records every bandwidth is used by an application. Suppose you use Chrome and use around 100 MB of data. Your Windows 11 will keep a record of it forever until you reset this data usage or you format your PC. So in this video we will guide you on how to reset data usage on your PC. All you have to do is right click on the start button. Here select settings. In the left side click on network and internet. On the right scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the advanced network settings. Here under more settings click on data usage. Here you can see system, Chrome, LS Media Builder, INST up, something like that. These all have used several MBs, such as on Chrome we have used around 419 MB of data. To reset this data usage, you need to click on this reset button that is available at the bottom of the right side page. Beside reset usage stats, you need to click on reset. After clicking on reset, again click on reset button on the pop-up window. You can now see all the data history has gone forever. Yes, if I will use again internet and open any application or whatever, Windows 11 will start recording all these records. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. A lot of giveaways and tutorials are awaiting for you. You will learn various information about your Windows 10 and 11 and others maybe also, but I can't promise at this time. Thank you. Bye bye.